Yes, I will my shower on Zion. Let me come that I don't want to be like Munye Jpac that is a showerizing everywhere. Jeremy go shigi. You what I go? Come go shigi that I don't want to be this type. I don't want to be this type. I don't want to be this. I tell me when you're not I don't want to be this type. At least I'm a shower Zion. I prefer to be a shower Zion. I cannot be a shower pay me and I is naked and dance. Mbam bam bana. Game Emelia. At least I'm not gonna be this kind of shower where I go the naked, you go they pay me. You want to go? But you who need dress? I'm go. Don't allow me to pignon again. Don't allow me. If you don't want to share this program. If you don't want me to pignon again, get the fuck out of here. Share the program as you are joining. Tell Jpac share on life yabaputa. Share no pain in life yabaputa. Now you think when I'm gonna call life only 7 hours or the parade. I don't know. Come on, put us in, sir. You know, I want not control your lifestyle. Come on, come out of here. It's such a cat idiots. Idiot, I know him. You know, Jpac, do you know why I love that program you did yesterday? Because he really proved to me that everything I've been saying about you is nothing but the truth. Everything I said that you said about Igbo, you voiced it out of annoyance. You said it. Everything I said that you labeled me on this social media that you've been denying, you voiced it out. Now, see how I'm being vindicated. You see how God is using you to prove yourself wrong. I will never lie against you, like I normally tell you. EMGJ destroy Igbo. Truth, I will use and finish you. And when I got a weapon. Share this video. Let's continue. Let's continue to use the truth to dismounting the devil. You want to go? To dismounting the devil. Yesterday, you brought out a voice note. Guys, did you guys remember when I said that it was Jpac that sent me that voice note about Ebonilo's son? This voice note uploaded yesterday is around that period. The voice note is around that period. Eboni's son came out. This voice note thank God that you guys listened to that voice note. That I was even telling him to come on live. Can you play? Because that voice note I had in a video. The thing I got everywhere. So much when a video surface in a mega. Ebuko be accused. Because I was saying it out of anger. Somebody say the voice note did not correspond. And they can say rape. And they can say, you guys said, okay, even if it did not correspond that I say rape. But am I doing it in the favor of Ebuko? Am I doing it in favor of Jpac? Let's assume that rape and this did not match. Am I doing it in a favor of Ebuko or in a favor of Jpac? You see, despite that you hate me, don't twist truth because I'll get shot twist one day. You want to go? That Jpac, that voice note, or indict the grace to keep on worshipping and serving this God. Ebuko Binefe. I am asking all of you. Jpac, let me tell you one thing. We are benefits. Let me tell you one thing. You see this fight where we are not started. I got me push it on to Ganga. Did I garanga kanga hapoge? Kuna kam shi hapu dela. Ya udela ganga anyaka neme. I got me push gide you and I will not wish you on because I heard that you're wishing me on. You're not going to die. But I got me life a drink unbearable. Go and mark my words today. Udela did not believe me. I will frustrate you to an extent. You will dig a hole that will swallow you. I'm gonna give the truth. Now, for those of you that are saying, the voice note did not match, it's not the same thing. No, I'm not jogo. The voice note to Omeremu, a good person, a bad person when trying to defend Ebuko. That should be your question. Simple question. Now, you came out yesterday. You come get where you trying to prove yourself right and you let the worst in the because I heard that you sent that voice note to your wife before I get play. I come and hear on the voice. Still, it's your woo, it's a bow. Akona Juliani Shijana brain. The series of spam like ebona water, ebo jibu legba, ebona water, ebe your wife no katarashi, ne water ne ba akona de yamma. Only different spam in the brain cells. Label lawyer from head to toe. You know reasonable. I'm fine. I'm fine. Jordan, I took my time to watch your wife. I was thinking that she's beautiful. She's not. Layer from back, layer from front. Nani ho buwana. Ntia jokoro. Ya kwedeba mjirijo njoko jirijo. Ntia sokoro. Even the live video unumere. Everywhere sokoro. Make sure you keep checking her for gutter. You want to go? Because one thing about you, Jpac, is that you lost the credibility. Let me tell you. Let me tell you one thing you don't understand. You know, Gechi. And when home, saga, Jpac, I forget you Tokoro. Jpac, you Zoshinopo. Jpac, no. I be saga with the truth, with facts. People that is honorable people that he destroyed. My monarchy no. Actually, what are the contents of saga? Into the bag. You want to go? I told me about saga in the name of I forget you but I will cannot add in the car add. I heard that any saga material. Saga ijiriba. Be all Jpac that's the controller of his life. I'm all one, but I'm one control here. Now no life for put a life. Now, Alatimo, tell him say I day life making come out. You want to go? Jpac wife. Ebi na aga we guna water. Baroto, look at you. Ebi bottom. The same Jpac people give money. And they said, baby, stop now. You know I want to marry. Look at you. Bedroom ne work. You thought I was lying. And you think like saga material. Hanyegagi. Ogechi is Ogechi. Ogechi is a gazetted. Ogechi killed Mr. B. Ogechi is a gazetted criminal. Ogechi raped his father. His father did not even rape her. Ogechi, his father, calls to her. Ogechi is a scam lot of Chicago. Ogechi is finished. Ogechi has a criminal record. She can never work in the United States of America. Ogechi is a scam. Oh, this you are just playing. Ogechi raped her father. Her father didn't rape her. She's dubious and malicious in nature. Ogechi is nothing but a gazetted criminal. She cannot come to me. Ogechi. I want to say that Ogechi brother, the only son. Ababuriano were bogaro she. Jpac I am not give a rek. Here we all story now. Hey Jpac. Bunewe no information Ogechi. Hey, I'm somebody but I give my house address, my information where they work. If you want where they live, I go give you. My saga people, I've been doing this. I've never hidden my address, my location, where I live, anything. I've been updating all of you. Guys, please share this video. Ichori chomu. And I may say, I'm the only person done at this saga. When they give you where I did. I say, come. Ask anybody. I they even find people go their house for America. Say, make them come out to make we dig around. Oh, you matter my history. Come call Rogi. People where they hide, I go dig their address, go their house. No longer all hands share for the shina window. Ask my history. If I lie, make I not see tomorrow. Draw the regular old time saga people. I go your house, go your city. Say, nigga address where they say come out. Now this America. Oh. For those of you think, okay, Jpac, I can never hide who I am. I am the shiggy. All these people where they give you false information. It can people just they look for Ogage. I do not bear Ogage on my legal documents. I don't know who you guys are digging. I don't know where you guys are getting this. And they take flights, go people's states. Go tell them, I'm in your fucking before they might be a man announce. Ask anybody that been on the sucker. 2 persons that have done that. One is in Texas, one is in Michigan. Ask, I don't play, I don't lie. And then they make a video. To tell you that time I'm coming, dates I'm coming. The only thing I got in Canada is because of me and my husband. We're scheduling something. There is something you don't threaten me with. I am crazy. I am mad. Let me tell you one thing you don't. Like people say, okay, don't come Nigeria, no come. If eventually, because I have cancer, I know they go. If eventually I need to enter Nigeria, I go they go do video. They tell you where I dey. They tell you where you want us to make we meet. I don't know why you think some people go give you. Give me. Nobody will give you anything that is truth. I'm the only one that will give you the truth. No, the truth full of me. Ask anybody. I don't know why you're hustling for information. No info. My brother, if you want anybody to meet me in Chicago, I will give that person address. Tell that person to meet me. So, I don't, do you see anybody say, oh, bring the, you look for get, now lie. I go come your donuts. Now you go the claim say you don't travel. Now you go claim. I even went to airport. I make a video. They tell you say, person when they sit here, I know they travel. So I don't know why you guys think Ogechi, I'm hiding something. Oh, when you bring here, when you not him ask me. If I lie, make them call you. So you telling people, we tell you what information here, because we tell God in heaven, the saga not here. Those saga member where they meet you, ask them if I they lie. Even when I call, we get up the 30,000, make her show you. Can she got the 30,000? She said she did for Chicago. I don't they beg them. Even give them address, then the beg. I didn't been on meeting. Bulldozer. Keep bulldozer. Every time, I get you. And I made that give and I made the invite them. I'm gonna see the wrong. I don't understand this kind of people that cannot keep up to their promises. Even to understand the Bemuna, my brother, no way problem. He they had to tell her, God will tell me show Gechi. Map Tokashi, the Kwebem no, the Abuti Shimu. Now the person see the height. Now the person see that I don't understand these people. I put on Facebook about you did for America. There come Jahe, you life. People who that Igbo. I just even kids sending in a picture. I just in the people who do Igbo life. Come bohegia. Anytime you meet me, I go just open them so people go see I'm live. Because no need of taking picture, selling it 30,000. Many people Saraka for free. I've been giving you a fucking address. I've been asking you, come on, baby. Jpac, make I not meet your wife life, oh, because I go open it. People go view that thing for free. I'm blood you. Mama, and when you move to Obu okay. Let me go jahe that thing anywhere for free. So what are you saying? If you get to get it from, I know they hide anything for America. I don't understand why you cannot comprehend the truth. don't understand why you think I want anything to hide. I don't understand. Dark. I dey use my face. Almost in America, 80% them they follow me. So Kezi Hana Chorom. Kezi Hana Chorom. And I told my America. Upon the person will give address. I don't understand. I don't even get anything. Guys, click love. People am naga me sheep who report already. People am naga me sheep who only 30,000 report already. Why are you guys reporting? Why are you guys fucking reporting? Let me know report. That's not report. Click love and like and share. Click love and like and share. Click love and share. Click love. Click love and like and share. Click love. Don't worry, very soon I'm able to tell them mad in just Cheretu no can put up. Cheretu because click love and like and share. Chetekwa no mad in 500K just to continue the bete Jpac. Obula hold you with the money. Oshi Jpac imere dia. So they share. They share because I only one thing that the mega people that have been sharing. She give a account, oh yeah, 10,000, oh yeah, 5,000, oh yeah. Make it there, they watch me, no share. Tomorrow is just say, now person give me the money, the money there for my account. One of my followers, somebody 100,000 nabali. Because the person was panicking whether my voice note. I say which fake. Now let me go back to the voice notes. Awechi share order. Gisho I've been sharing na lie you anyam ukunaga warawara naga warawara. Yana mahunu nine. Ana mahunu nine. Ndoji another fake account gaba mo work. Ji another they support me. Anyamu naga warawara na mahunu. Share the program for Echi. Jpac oya puta. Come on, get out of here, sister. You are marrying a shower and the brain is controlling you from here. The queen herself is commanding you. But I'm putting life. Come on, put us sister. It's bottle. It's potaka. Nune de. Yashimba. Naeka foro. Ozu. Now, Jpac, you came out social media yesterday to disgrace yourself. When I came out and said that you are the one that sent that voice note of a Bonilo song, you started denying it. You started making, I said, no, you sent it to us. And this is the plan we are making. That we all will come out on live program. And come and make a video. By then you were dodging because it's okay, Bonilo's bleaching song. Diaper wearer. It's all komata no wogewa. You were saying, oh, okay, I get my belly life. Just few minutes, my join age. Keke, nji leave for voice note. You can know we have me. I join yaga balaga. Man, but you know we have me. Join yaga balaga. That we have to stay and share people. Share people behind when the video I get play, which is that video people touching to be playing it all over. Now, can who chan he get play? Yeah, will this. I heard that you play another voice. Jpac, I'm a lugage mfonamo. I'm a dog sham go for figure play Chahini niche. But you see this mouth can get Gene destroy again. I got my bag and I'm more again at the game. Ige share Jpac, you're just a player. You're just a player. Anna Majube Bioko. Does your drink represent a man in a joint? Nah. Is that people you ambassador or Indian ambassador? Baby, could you give people na share to money 30,000 in the group? Imana Jpac belong group where they collect women auto. Do you know that? I have evidence. I will play the voice notes. Do you know that Jpac belong in a group ebana share to money? Baby, is that what your brand represents? I'm asking you a question. Is that what your brand? Because in the followers, I'm John with Baby. Is that what his brand represents? No. Now Jpac in ebe, and I show me one and you will talk on a guys. Because share with this video, Baby, I ask you, is that what your brand represents? Apokuko. Is that what your brand and your calibers of people represent? So you want to tell me now that those group of people Now put a name a video. So you know about the with Jpac with auto, yeah, go shoe or shoe. Is that what your brand represents? Is that what your brand represents, Jpac? Sorry, Akwokoko. Seaman Global, I know you're a man of integrity and a man of dignity. Is that how you want your brand to go down? By making someone an ambassador who happened to pay a boom wine and put an echo to have 30,000. Jpac in a group. That were the people that were calling him yesterday. The intelligent fool that claimed that he brought out my father's picture. He is the brand ambassador of the group Ashi, open and close. The same called Jinjin Venza is the brand of Ebanashi Keibum wine. I have evidence. Adika governor respect to Lowe. Kamuha Putuya. Kamuba Putuya no wo. Now Jpac is a member. That idiot Anna Kinsley is also the member. I had you gather because they know they have plan another group. Because Ashimagani heck is lotom wine. Now Anna Majugi Seaman Global, as people respect you in the society, is that what your brand represents? That only her as ambassador is the mentor of people, married women with Igbo 30,000. Is that what you guys represent? I am trying to find out. I am trying to figure out what you guys stand for. Jpac, all these people. Oh, she get out. Bye bye. You don't need to be here, honey. You don't need to be here. Is that what on a brand signify? Baby, you want to tell me that the Jpac Ibaramo na inaha na one again na control looky that the Gigana another place got one? Is that Jpac and what like those women? Because being in the group you're associating with, that's what you guys, that means that's what you guys do. Is that what your brand represents? I'm trying to figure out which angle are we going. Are you not representing? This people I'm gonna craft. That's in her sign, that crafting. Awunu, furniture and business unu. That one because I'll be mentioning them too. All of you that are signing Jpac as an ambassador, even name or your company Jpac, Kogana group put your town where he's a member. Kogana and sell it to other men. Is that what you guys stand for? Now, brand digi, or for those of you that watched my program 3 days ago, because my admin actually kick up that party, ex-girlfriends here, putara. Because when I say something, I like you to listen to it and join it together. I'll be mentioning all the brand that you represent. Guys, share this video and make. She gonna take it easy. 7 Craft Furniture. Thank you for the name. 7 Craft Furniture. I know you guys have been reliable for years. You signed Apama, such a reliable entity to connect with. Apama is a reliable. Oh, when you get ambassador, yes. 7 Craft and other comedians. Gele choni ga sign ya we man ni jere kata. Ga ahaya kogene dinu mwanya shawo. I did not say it alone. Watch, please. I need am I dreaming coputaram that part, that angle. Coputaram can they player? Can the people are signing ambassadorship? Can not to hand to 7 Crafts. Tagaram 7 Craft Furniture here. Tagaram all these people are ambassador. Actually, made to her. I wouldn't a Jpac. So, on the one that or trade technology, human trafficking. That you guys are in support of it? Is that what you guys want to tell me? No, I just want to answer this question. Let me start by playing voice notes. Let me share this program where Jpac belong. The kind of calibers Jpac associates with. People that we are calling in her program, they are in the same group of where our women are being distributed as a property of her shower. Legendary interior. Is that what you guys represent? by allowing Jpac to be using himself as a prostitution lifestyle and also participating it in a group? Are we even representing? I am asking all of you that signed Jpac as an ambassadorial block. Here we even representing. And Paul again whatever it is. Are we even representing all of these people signing? So this is the kind of company Umi will join. Are we doing? I will be mentioning Nunanemo because the journey I am going is a journey that I will open people's eyes. Guys, join me. Let's go to this route. Listen. Go to Shaibu with evidence. Evidence done. Now, I want you to watch. I want you to listen to this before we proceed to the men. Listen and pay close attention.
Nwanne mmadụ nke awụ nke anyị emere onwe anyị na anụ nke anyị emere onwe anyị oge ma anyị agbara onwe anyị n'ụbọchị anyị eme hangout ịghọta enwero vidio a na-evidio enwero fon eji ese anything ihe ahụ ihe anyị eme na room anọ na room ndị chọrọ ịgba the game akwụnye ha n'ọkụ a na-afụ ya anya ịghọta enwero fon enwero onye ga-abịa vidio bụ onye etinyere ya bụ ife na-arụ because ihe ahụ ahịa aṅụrị ka anyị bịara inwe here so pant and bra very okay. Only pant and bra a check him with. So
this is the company you are gonna sign a pant and bra. This is the group where Jpac belong. Pant and bra. Because all these people signing Jpac, Ambassador Babyoko, and a woman they get confused. Is that what your ambassador work represents? And I'm a judge, Joe. I'm not saying, I'm asking. Because what you present out there is what we are going to buy. Do you want us to be following? So Jpac, this is what Jpac represents. Is that what you're telling us? So Jpac is representing where our women are being lured into prostitution. Eba gather in one room. Don't you know now? Hello? Okay. Mbana ma later. Bye. You want to go? Now, as I'm talking to you, perfect gadget. I hope I got the name right. Is that what you represent? Ebe Jpac in agado muanyani, aneke auto, anashi hamehe. Or the gadgets can there for them to get high. Baby with your drink, or when you had the drink, they became drunk. Or you Jpac can have supply here there. And I'm a Juno as a respectable man, as a seaman global, or who. Jpac ya poro ye je wure aga do mu wan na enye ha the things. That's what your brand represents. So you want to tell me this is the kind of things you're luring our women into? What is really going on? Look at the calibers and the associates that Jpac associate with. Let's listen.
Could offer a bit of the game for how many minutes? Could I 3 minutes? It's an area Marco said. I will not survive. Go or the happy. I want no survival. The 3 minutes I really go as a body. In a name, young child in Yabo. But then we can a man belly, cover face and down. Yet go cover that face. On auto, you could in a Biaco, in a seaman, in a Bofan gadgets, in a competition, in a furniture, legendary furniture, in a competition.
competition happening here.
Adowato.
All right.
This is what you guys are signing for. Admin, many dream about Jpac or ex-girlfriend, your man can't or gan. Gene, Sono, Kezebo, boya. I got, you have find out na Jpac Gariga, you wouldn't do a bar upon any dream that place. So come there play because the video conductor was so long. Actually, is that what you guys represent as an entity? Here we don't sign. Apama is one of the best, and the couples with support them, they are doing well for themselves. These are the people. Kata, Ogra Kata, that were on way. Go back, go with ego. Are you guys not seeing what is happening? Skibo, the other content creators who representing what they stand for. Why are you bringing a man not in a group? What is Jpac doing with, and those are the people that called in his program. They are in this group. Edging evidence. Evidence. Edging evidence. Where these men are busy using it as a kuruso. Jpac is one of them. He is the pan ambassador of what is happening. And you know where they are? Sign here as an ambassador and job.
Take off your names.
Eh? I walk to me one video. I promise you 30,000. Eba Jpac in mecha. Ya ganu kata koga put you in practice. Jpac gaziri kata ko jirizen ya practice is here on a group name. Is that what your brand represents? Is that what your brand? Okay, alright, bye. No need of Otilo. Is that what your brand represents? I ask of you guys. No. We want new things in our society. I am fighting this group and companies. They gathered one place. And the Jpac gathered together to come and fight me because Ashema leave women private party. Alone. Hapoto Mwanyaka. You will be on a sign as such ambassador. Look at. And then show me here. Share the video. Click love and like. One companies in that we she and sign you see what is happening here? This is where Jpac belongs. Here we don't have patrol in our group and companies of Nigeria. Is that what you guys participate? Is that what you guys participate? Ununye manya Jpac na represent ya benye ha here. Hango ngbu onwe ha. So this is the company. People come and participate in it. Guys, click love and like. Click love and like. Oh, it Jesus. It's on a voice note I'm playing in order. That voice note is what they are planning to do this December. What they are planning to do this December. Oh my, the hair pantambra. One drug if they can be able to take it for few minutes. Jpac belong. This is Jpac group and companies. This is Jpac associates. This is where Jpac vandalize Egoya. And all the people who say, come on, let's fight Ogechi. This is the company, let's fight Ogechi. Ogechi will shut up. We will call and claim that all I need to put in Ogechi. We will come and claim our any people no Ogechi. So you be celebrated. So you be celebrated. Those people gara kata ebe gini ko enyi gwane ga hapo the girl ga mewa prostitution yourself. Ga hapo the girl just nature ide di nda nti gbegbe ego ma shawo ka ga na akwo go ka go hapo ibugi. The only thing they disqualify ya get there because of afoge. They say that for and you with a tiny ammo according to your ex. Ana bengemubo. Oshi hana ono aputa. Get the video. Ihe mere kata. Because actually kunu comforta that place. Those ladies. I'm supposed to have 101 with the first lady. She's running late. She will join me soon. She's just coming back from work. So all these things in a query, never put it. And I'm a the content creator. We here or me. You guys should come and tell me because I know nothing about. Because what you guys present out there is what we will buy. Uno chokai kowe auto mwai. Uno chokai kowe onye na ejaka ya weputo onwe aga na agba akona. Is that what you guys want us to be buying? Uno chokai buy ya Jpac bia ibirani brand ya na nwanyi mmadu. Jpac bile brand na ya na nwanyi mmadu. Ya bia na she want to come and convince me. Is that what brand you represent? I just want to, because I will keep asking this question until I get answer. This question may last 5 to 6 years. I will keep asking it. So anybody got sign a brand, they are very careful. You monitor the lifestyle of that person. Or you know the followers that will destroy your brand does not make sense. If you can hire somebody with 95,000 and your brand will be well represented, is better than 1 million followers that you are not getting any of your brand. Is that what you guys stand for? I am asking all of you. A man get out into Yana Bakuna. When I say that Jpac opened the mouth. Guamu ni bendana gulaya. Nebo who are gulaya. Ya go. When I start, how can you call me? Mashigi, what you do thing? Kishimimba. Ashim gi were abala apoko kogade. Whether we that abala, only shigi 7 times. That if you are telling the truth, let this abara no kweme you. But if you are lying, let the abara kweme you. Go and that one is another second challenge I have given to you. That everything in that is the only thing he gave me for you to make my mouth leave, for you to make my name leave your mouth. Every challenge in the get put here through. Good. Then go to this particular place and prove yourself right or wrong. If I'm lying. Now, Jpac, get Jiriakage, go onwegi, she nature keba apuna. Hichorokine tina, one temad. Does it mean that he brew this thing? Potana. Guys, share this video, click love and like. Equal 500,000 or upon Bemgeke Wayana, Onoshi, Ogecha de Shia, Ogecha de Shia. Make una de Shia because this information need to go everywhere. I join the company because we have to have a sign. You want to go? Or we have to have a sign. Now you came out to lie. The way you know, the way group you know, the way then I call on your platform. The people not calling the group, you know. Look at Jpac group. Oh, you know, one, yeah, where the Jpac belongs. Look at your group. How we don't look at what one in one room. Yeah, with the pantan bra. Now we need it. I get in a shot. Yes. Oh, you know, and we must continue to use that banuru to push and the banuru. We will continue to use one and then we decide to damage their lives. Like in Nanambara State, few days back. They were married women. Yeah, we have the preaching for a long time. Here, she will talk get you. Here, she. That's only the same thing. Don't get you for years. How did all these useless women ya Jpac and his crew. Ginger Venza number 1. Intelligent criminal number 2. TC number 3. All of you. And so on and so forth. This is where Jpac associates himself with. Mana Joe, all this brand that signed you, are they signing us because Jpac followers that will follow him, or are they signing us for us to buy the good quality of your brand? I'm trying to figure out what are you guys signing? We're not signing somebody. Yana maduge secret things. Yeah, no, secrets. As you take your secret to your grave. A man yeji mana woke na ebu secret alam. Oh, the kind of person that cannot even keep. Look at it on Igbo yesterday. Mbem potaragun no one ya damage Igbo ni hu baby oko. Did you guys believe me? What you like on the lake? Jay home voice out about Igbo yesterday. Everything in Barag no ya want Jerry destroy your relationship Igbo na baby oko. Omero. What you know yesterday? What did I told you guys? I gotta get that. This idiot went and destroyed Igbo in front of Bebioko because Bebioko no cash. Bebioko listening to gossip a lot. It's hard for him to verify truth or wrong. Bebioko, now Marazi ye Jpac in a live program yesterday. Manamo korogia before Moko Berigia. Marazi my everything in Kuro we show kuko washe. Okay. There is no need of you watching Onyenwe Hosens. Oh yeah, Otilo. Now, Marazie. Maihe. Ni nem kuru no ya damejiri. Obi igwe ni hugi. Can somebody tag Egbu Igwe here? Ebi Bachoram ke join am life. Because he destroy your image. Because I did not see where Egbu Igwe got involved. If you lost some, you put a Egbu Igwe to Ashim Egbu Igwe for complete how many years now? Egbu here. Because Egbu, this idiot potala ridicule your reputation to zero. You need to come and defend yourself. Oh? You need to come and exonerate yourself. Now the reason everybody starts falling apart from Bebioko, Jpac get damage here. Remember, no one you do so no believe room. I'm going to go to Egbu boya ko lubo yesterday. Ropia ya de ko lubo. Akuyani na shia no yesterday na potazi. Awru na nkore na ye deny ya. Yawru na nkore because Egbu did not come and start fighting. Go ma hihu ya. Mgbe ngwara gi na ya wa destroy Egbu na aka Siniman Global. Who believed me? Ya ni ne kokoro ha to destroy this guy. Sure. Come back tonight. No need waiting for me. Wait for me until the eternity. Mbengwarunu ya enwenye believe room. I thank God for his mercy because agba toka ya pin. Ya be kweshoku. Akweshoku potara no yesterday. Oh yeah. Come suspend again. Bye bye. Let me even read your comments. Okay, bye bye. No go there until further notice. You want to go? So now, ajujumu awuro. Everything that all you want destroyed, onye menegi introduced to Bebioko. All you want destroyed, onye menegi introduced to Sima or mechana gure ejiokwu ko washe. Kwini yeshi guna no na pata. Pata mpam. Pata trust Jpac at your own risk. Mother book gidia. Come on, Shingafo. I wouldn't name Jpac. Shingafo. It was some of Igbo brothers and sisters hate the truths. When you start hammering the truth, God your job. Jpac is always your works against your works. It's always okuonuge against yourself. Agwarangi na oge magana agba enwe egbe. Agwaram ga I told you. Omenekomero. Mechana magata talking all on mom. Power Thanksgiving. Tokia digo ready. I eshiela that she murung gang na mejirie. That she very enjoy Thanksgiving. Gano ne people won't give for what you did to yourself. No credibility anywhere. Anybody that was look at him and every day yesterday. Guy get here she no everybody go dinner when your mother everybody go war jump. Yeah, was something. Every go putala ko anything about you. Have you go putan? Because every go me porno. Every go me porno. Facebook collapse. But I putala na. Men puru no wuge wan scatter relationship a man him make introduce to see man global. I pay deny. Men puru no wuge wan putra destroy ya a man him make introduce to be piokum. I pay deny. Imene yesterday kimero. Nobody will leave a secret in your hand. They are the safe. And we honye no wa as a man I confide in you. You are the safe. Other possible. Look at what you did to your ex. And who been working in any one you could put on a podcast and a bono. But when these women now put on be revenge, but you guys will not caution this at all. They did not do anything. Until again, I am Sorokwa Choziki. Get bit of a wire war. Until again, I Sorokwa Choziki got a wire war. While you are married, though. But they are not married, they have moved on with their lives. But you don't want them to rest. It already destroy you, huh? Tell me a man, yana one again watching a responsible man. Yana one again watching here, put on a podcast the whole world. Everybody should move on with their lives. That should have been a response, right? That should have been a response. But what did you do? You gave it the lady. Liar. What kind of a person are you? Who is trusting you? Who is relying on you? Let me even block that Chris Morris. I mean, all them chori block. Shingafu. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Yeah? Unyege were trust wage. Single ladies that you have parted ways from. Single ladies that have nothing to do with you. You came out on a podcast. Totoru the lady liar niji. None of our Igbo man is find that error. That's what you did was wrong. This girl put about you for once. This girl put up a whoop about you. As only now the high breaking. Somebody disappointed the girl. Brumana Bunyanishia. See, you disappointed her. Who are you? Who are you? What kind of a person are you? Who the fuck are you? I'm asking you, your plan is to destroy this young lady. Your plan is to make sure you shatter everything that she stands to gain. Just because of gaining your selfish interest. This lady put a baby, bago pojo, or put a baby humiliate egi, or put a baby shaking camera and came. But you vowed, and some men are looking at you that you were mad. Some men are plugging you that what you did is right. May God punish you and punish anybody that will stand that what you're doing is right. Look at you, our future girls. That will wear you where you belong. Darling. Now, let me play. Let me play it. I just want you to watch and listen. Okay, another one. Right? This one. Voice. Get no voice, sir. Can you listen here? What happened? That voice will play yesterday.
Listen. Next month, Jpac. cause a problem. Yes, now every go be more when you made abortion. The map more. Cause promotion, petition every go be and then Jpac be a plan area. When we want get abortion, you get a cheat them put them or more. She will be a female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Come on, the video will go well. So next month. So batch now, was here need for this voice notes. Ihani came and I got everybody. Happy, now look at the full voice note. Listen. You can't just say give me a boss so just man around so I get play live program, I get play live video. Then be on so person. They want to plan and they could be getting put mother. We are not just going to get God bless you. In fact, I'm going to be going now. Every program, my night. And we hear not to watch Jpac about it. Listen to the voice note again. Normal. All after year when you saw me, I'm to watch Jpac. Now, nigga, put on. Be a one day she have an get a cat and then when you made be accused, no matter. Listen, gentle. All the next month, Jpac, cause a problem. Yes, now every go be more when you made abortion. The map more. Cause commotion, petition every go be and then Jpac be a plan area. When we won't get abortion. They get a cheat them more than everybody son of 50 million. Come on, the video will go well. So next month. So batch now, the family provide no to pass the Jpac here. Now, put a life about people, never actually never get to be accused. Granted. Jpac, here we have a light. You can't just say give me a gap or say so. Just run around. So now I get play live program. I get play live video. Then be a so person. They want a plan and they could be a poor mother. We are not just to people are back for they get the thing. I'm going to sleep now. Okay, you have made my night. Hey, why you running? Oh, for so many Cambo. I have about late. And you have made this night for me. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll post my video in the morning. You didn't know the voice. You didn't know the voice in a platform, Jpac. Let me tell you, my brother. One thing you should know about me, I don't betray. I know people. Why do you think I'm defending Ako? I don't betray people. Only people problem nishi. No problem, that's it. Now why would I for head? I carry people nishi because I hate him. Why do you think I would have a lot of enemies? Because before John was saying that only play that voice or court or join or court or join or I wrote 2 times. 2 times in the river block on the other guy now say no, don't block him. Don't block. Don't block from. Can you imagine? My brother
after that. And I'm live.
Yes, I want to contribute. I want to
go ahead.
On the speak out.
Yeah, on the speak out. Go ahead.
Okay, because no man again to know you not born after dark TV. Although Romania since yesterday, naga na Facebook place. What I in the Jpac got a nail Jpac because join got together.
God.
Otromanya na Jpac, you have been in this saga.
For long.
Because Obrunima, he came out and joined in the saga, and you did.
Gila Munyeki, Gila Yakot and join. Jpac Chomigwagi. Imana, you have been in Palace of Justice all
So I want to know you when you have my father's picture, you never believe who. I told you guys.
He was the one, yes. Okay, I want to confirm it now. He
Okay.
was the one that gave you your father's picture. Oh, yeah, I will tell your father's picture. And secondly, Imanambana Akuzayon Sagana Palace of Justice. Sorry, Ken, I will say this. Oh, Jpac with the saga to Palace of Justice. Mambana ba Akwakuko saga. All everybody, Palace of Justice saga. Jpac about it. Jpac will take the contact of Imanda and Saga because Jpac has been in Palace of Justice under fake accounts all this while. Now Jpac will come to the arena of Saga. We are nobody respect each other and Saga. We know they respect people for Saga. Everything that comes on board in Saga is Saga material. And he will collect it woto. But what on you wanted the monopoly that maybe Saga na get respect who goes to you? In fact, when a son name I got again at this Saga. Welcome on board because you go collect them. And again, I want to tell you all these miscreants. Now they're on your platforms. Thank God they have drag you into this Saga full time. Chineke man, I'm really page to put up for this Saga full time. Do your face, put on this Saga full time. Welcome on board. Now I want to tell you, Charlotte, they are from Canada, who has been in Canada. Without even coming back to give the woman befitting burial. In that assassin, that was my elder brother. Jpac, you have a communication with that lady. What are you doing with that lady? I won't do it. Brugana been a case Simona Sharoto. Sharon. No, na. Say, able the last assassin to come and buy my elder brother. They sent you with Kinsley on the petition. And these are the people you are welcoming into your platforms. Now, we're here and there. Show me who is your friend, and I will tell you what your friends are doing. These people are
the group of international Tomuanya.
That you are full time in this saga because as the saga them are not going to leave you because I've seen them in your platform and I've seen you in their platform. So you go to collect them. You go nowhere. You go nowhere. So what can be here? I'm going to get say I will collect here. You go nowhere. And no one get proudly represent in as much as
we go drag them. We go drag them. Everything drag them.
Everything you represent and whatever that represents you,
we drag it. Finish it. Woto.
They go collect and woto. You go nowhere. And you can never have a page where fake account. Now there comments on that saga pages. Then give that web page for your brand. They're gonna lie. Everybody in the saga now for that reason you can acquire. Okay, but full time. And as it is now, you no go use your page make any and buy money because you don't come on board. You got connected the saga, and you can put in a saga be bad. Saga no be your mates.
Facebook disregard any report on this page. We are creating only but awareness. Disregard any report on the page. Guys, please share the program.
Now, Ugebe Naja, Jpac into Saga was Saga Meta, you can get justice of all. Justice of what? 30,000. All to give the cheapest auto on social media 30,000.
Look at her. I bought a rope. Yeah.
You don't know your size. Get you size. Get honey. Get your rope to get 30,000. Who like you when my dear? If you make
the part that you want, you will not pay. Zakashia 30,000. Look where here.
To get 30,000 naira.
That's all.
Nigeria and group Chinchimo court was not get it here. Then who first bring up to get outside here about Saga? Not be Chinchim.
Thank you.
The same person restaurant. We'll collect them from the platform, use the way there as a saga material.
That's how. I will kill one if you ever up here for 30,000.
Why are you crying? Give a person a rot to get. Not to take a rot to get 30,000. Sometimes you make you know common sense. No,
Udela is all formulated and Jpac. Yes, Dutch and Atom share well when you're frustrated. I can understand that I got the one you talk to you outside about because already at 30,000. I can understand the frustration. Okro no ojuko gechi dipara mpaya nwura ya aka na agba mpaya saga. O mere na akọ eri akọ you know this saga lies. The frustration. Yeah, my reply the eji abia gbu anyi wa yozu anyi oshi. Ebe ọwụla a na-egbu ndị mmadụ n'Owerri ọya na point ha na-ekwu ha. Point and kill ọya na point ha na-egbu ha ọya nwa onye a. Ọya nwa nwaanyị ọtụ 30,000. Ọya nwa.
Point and kill rot to get 30,000 naira. Jiri negida gwanyu wa you want to make what the gigi will negate and let you gwaru wa you. Point and kill the like a boom to give that to a kebu. I go kg point yaka. You know get shame. And my own mother name was shame. You can give one. Judge your chineke say you to give an you when some certain times you got put on this hand I get the one you do take
Even
no key. Pan in what Chineke akpọ ọgụ and the point in the channel negi na nna gị mụ ma bụ ju ofu gwụrụ ọgwụ ego si ihe tozuru leki ga na-esusara n'ihari nna kpachapụrụ onwe gị anya ka egbe eluigwe ghara gị gbagbu gị useless woman won't ego shame ma afọ ka esiri okwu ure ka esiri makwa dị ihuru onwe ga na-eme gị ka esiri makwa at this point in time that need no wine for how many years nwunye gị nwa nwa but you need to sit down and be asking God reason why nwunye gị amụghị nwa
ha na-eke ọtọ na a woman put her up to 30,000. Yeah, all of them you gather Jpac on there and share you up on a group.
UK give me every information, okay? I'm going to now on a platform I'm coming for you. I will come for you. I'm people to say I'm not now. No mercy. I know they mercy. See, you don't say me. I know they look at your face. So.
What got the one here up there 30,000? The
You see, I know they look at your face.
The what's in what about the round one? I got the one you.
All the women in this which I guess they will not delete here. Useless idiot. Mother of 5 in Jesus. I will come for you. I know the reason why I will not report my page. I'm coming for you. My page will come back and I will destroy you people. I see they play.
About 30,000.
Because Jpac, a popular line in Chinaza shower. Even the first man who wear shower.
Well,
we need to see that as shower. Wagidra shower a day I wait that shower now. You puliana lenu mo chineke. Every man mo gani rugi. Lenu mo chineke. The kwenara mo kam jiri gani rugi. You rush so would you wait there?
The Bible send it up in a group.
The identity of her so we are known at church without even covering her breasts.
Oh, the woman
never want you to Nigeria. Diego. Okay, I think Egypt. Egypt, Lama, we crayfish in the Jpac. Is that what makes you want you? You need to be ashamed of yourself. Welcome to this saga, Gilatigi. I'm waiting for saga material. I'm just destroy you. No, Jpac, I'm guessing. Opening the ground, the Yabasa Sharoto, na case regular join in Aka because these people have a beef with them, which they send an assassin. And in case you have a special ID, wherever I'm sagaring them, you are among them, and I will let you be. You get moved on this saga.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, all those women this is what they do. They are in a group where I'm fighting for them to stop prostitution, stop Igbo, stop Iroto, stop Irike, 30,000. A lot of enemies. That is why Ogechi went enemies. Oh, Ogechi is a bad person because they gathered one place. I say you must stop Aru. Hello, my brother. Welcome for joining us. You're welcome.
Hello, good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma. Yeah, I'm a whole, I'm very happy in what you're doing. You understand?
Thank you.
I'm very much happy in what you're doing. So, when I'm saying about break, don't listen to anybody.
Okay.
You understand? Because what the go say, at least thank God. I even thank God that there was a time become for a peace. Thank God that peace, MHR work was Sinaka Jpac. So don't listen to any other person that will call you for a peace.
Tell
Don't
us.
listen to anybody
Tell us.
that will not call you. Say any peace. Don't listen to anybody. In fact, drag every draggable.
Okay. Mm-mm. Okay. Hmm. Mba. Are you serious? You want to share me on WhatsApp? Share go dream me. Okay, come go. Mm.
Good morning, everyone.
Or just remain a post to ya. Okay. Okay. Come go. Okay. Come. Okay. Come go watch. Okay. Where my brother, sorry, when you got me information about that idiot that claimed that all we are share my father's picture or who because we know. My brother, I have to come play the video. I will bring you back, okay? Okay, no, just no, don't say anything. Now, this was the same man Jpac paid to come and claim that I will take a picture of my dad. Now listen, here with the lady and watching pilot that they are accusing that Toyama. Listen to the video. I did not watch this video. Somebody called me now told me that God will keep him vindicating you. Listen to this video.
Of the month of November, and we are heading to December and then
The video.
2025. Now, I want to do this video to whom it may concern. I won't take time. I didn't want to do it live. I wanted to do it recorded and posted and also do it in my face. People always saying that karma is a bitch. Karma is this. I don't believe in karma. I believe in whatsoever a man sows, he will reap. Anything you plant, any seed you sow, definitely you'll reap it. Why am I saying this? So many of us have reaped what we've sown, and many will reap more. Now, Jpac, let me tell you something. You know why I feel very sorry for you? You don't even know what you're getting yourself into. Now, the people, especially the one they call Akozion, they know him as Intelligent Caller, that called into your program yesterday. This is just the beginning of your nightmare. For years, go back to 2021 on Chief Pilot. Go and watch my video. Go back to Powers of Justice if it's still there. One of Ken's platform. If it's still there, you will hear his voice. Let me tell you, out of 100 things he said, 95 are lies. I've been with him. I've been in group with him. I know him. He's a manipulator. I'm saying this because so that posterity will judge me and my children in future. I'm saying this because I want to stand on the truth. Now, I was a tool these people use to fight Ogechi. I was a tool and a means they were using to express their pains and agony. Unfortunately, you have found yourself in the same. Let me tell you, Saga has a spirit. It's a spirit that is always there. You'll be moved. No matter how you say, oh, I won't respond. It's a lie. You will respond. This same man that called into your program, I wish you knew what he said.
that he's happy how Oge is dragging you. I wish you know. But you know what? I don't care what anybody will say about this video, but I'll say the truth. In the next 2-3 years, we're here. We will see how it will end for you. Chinedu, Joseph, Egbuna. We will see how you will end. These are the same people who are not proud enough to bring out their face to face Ogechi. For years, they were hiding under myself and Ken, bringing information. They will be behind and be. He told you that he was one that brought out the picture, but he's lying. He knows he's lying. Everything he said about those pictures speaking to his dad is a lie. It's not true. Take it from me. It's not true. He knows he's lying. So I'm not here to discredit him, but I'm here to say the truth. Jpac, from 2-3 years, you will see where you will be. You see these people calling you. If I were you, I will run because I have been in that shoe. I have been there because they can no longer use me. That is why they're looking for any page. As long as they're dragging Ogechi or Onyara and London, they will come there to come and express their pain, their agony, and their sorrow. For years, they were calling on my platform to express their pain. They will send things. If I open my phone, if you hear voice note, there's one in America called Olama. She's the head. She would tell you at the point she even wanted to go and destroy Mayor's house, to go and demolish Mayor Chris Okam's house. Let me tell you, when you stop dancing to their tune, you will see what you have done to yourself. I will advise you now. If I were you, start withdrawing from those people. They will destroy you. They will destroy your image. I've been with them. When I was fighting, okay, I was a normal person. I was chief pilot, right on. Chief pilot, you will live long. Now, it's no longer chief pilot. It's Onyara and London. Only Simbaka, husbandless woman. She left her children in Nigeria. She's living with her living boyfriend. She's a Johnny Walker. She's IVF. But when I was there fighting Oge, they didn't know this. Jpac, I feel sorry for you. In 2-3 years, you would know what you've done to yourself. This intelligent caller, I know what he said about you. So he's only there to express his agony and pain. I am not going to, I don't have anything against him, but I'm going to say the truth. I will not lie against him. He didn't speak to any Oge's dad. This is the same thing they did to one guy called Callistus. When Callistus stopped fighting Oge and started supporting Oge, they went to bring out his passports. Photocopy of his passport from Nigerian immigration. They know because we were on call the day that person made that call. The person even wanted to borrow 80,000 from me to write petition against Callistus in Angola, and I said no. But you know what? That is why I said it's not called karma. Whatsoever seed you sow, it will reap. You see all of them, they will reap the seed they are sowing. Very soon, they will still start calling you, wear belly face, see the gun, okay, see this, see that. They will destroy your career. If I were you, I will run. If you don't run now, see your downfall. And you know, say, you did Nigeria. You know, say you never get any other country passport where you say, okay, you are a dual citizen, any little thing, you carry your family abroad. Why do you think politicians, they always send their children and family abroad? Because if anything happens, they know their family see. You just newly got married. I know this one where you're with your wife, you say, you just hear your voice. When they hear everybody's voice, when they attack you. Nah. You see, Saga, if you never go where put injection or Bundara, if you never go where Bundara, if you never go drink Ogundara, if you never take injection and put on the clothes of Ogundara, I pity you. Is it say you don't already the sweat? Is it say your head way big, you don't reduce? Run for your life. These people will destroy your career. They are here to destroy you. I'm telling you, keep this video because you will remember this thing in future. The man that called that was speaking of proper grammar, saying that he was one that brought against that picture, the video, he is nothing but lying. He did not. Jpac, you know yourself in your heart that you did. You know you brought that out that picture. But you know what? In future, you will reap the seed you have. Every man, including myself. You know, I like to use Exodus 20 verse 5. Whatsoever your sins will come to you and your children. Is there Exodus 20 verse 5? And we visit the sins of the forefathers upon their third and fourth generation. Now you're sowing seed. If I were you, I have been with all those people. I have all of them on my phone. All of them, both the ones in UK that used to source out people's information from NHS. I know them. They are here. I will advise you to run for your life, because tomorrow you will still get named. This is somebody they call you with belly face is small. In future, you will regret. You see these people. You see these people. That's the same way they pushed Ken. When Ken was in there, they were saying, Ken, write down. When Ken was in there, thank God you confirmed it in that WhatsApp group. That none of these people saying Ken, write down. We even bring 10,000, 20,000. Nobody brought anything. They were not even in the group. They didn't even support. You said this in that group with your own voice. That is the same thing they will do to you. They are telling you to write down. I got Kwagi in the middle of the red, deep blue sea, where no help, nobody. Now you are tarnishing your career. You are mingling with deportees, people that are stuck in Nigeria that don't have headway, people that are not making way in their life. That is the people. They will kill your destiny. I've been all of them. Ask them. They know me now. I used to be Jpac. Now I am only around London, husbandless woman. Until somebody that is living with a living boyfriend. He is the 24 karat gold. She's living with her. I be mad person. I did drink of Bundara. You don't know. I be Johnny Walker. The only woman that single-handedly left her children for people in Nigeria. The landlord, that is what even led to my depression, according to them. But now, I feel sorry for you because they will destroy your career. The earlier you start taking your step backward, the better for you. See those people telling you they are destiny destroyers, they are destiny killers, and they will destroy your destiny, they will destroy your career. The earlier for you leave those people, and start minding your business, and stop running a live program, and stop throwing side talks. The best for you, they will destroy you. I've been with all of them, from their highest to their lowest. Most of them are paupers, they don't have money. When it comes, when it arises, like you, Joseph, Ibuna, go use your head, Karen. The world is enough for the wise. I've been there. I have been there. I will start reposting video Muno get to the bar work. You know, I know their voices. I will start reposting the videos Muno get to the bar work. You know, I know their voices. Now, the picture in question where Oge's father was in hospital, you brought it to Jpac. If you talk about the one in Walmart, where they sent to me that I posted, of course I said, apart from the one on hospital bed, I will disclaim it, but every other one, people should put it on my head. Every other one, or both the one in Rose book, at least that one, the person we even bring them, even with that I'm get they do those blind people. If they use that Baba barrister and coaching got the wine, when they go, they actually go sort out and 100K things. No worry, I said for this UK. All of now we won't go here. We go out together because I would leak on our secrets. I never see anything. Jpac, run for your life. These people are your life. This they will super on. You know they want to write price.
Stop now.
Why won't I go to burial ground if you come out and lie? Why won't I go and destroy your destiny at the burial ground? So you better know it yourself that you posted that thing. It's not even Ken. You, Jpac, Chinedu, Joseph, Ibuna, you posted that thing. You posted it. Coward. You are a coward. If you cannot own up, why are you running? You posted it and you know it. So why are you trying? Why is intelligent caller pinning it on himself? Why is he lying? Tell him if he spoke to the doctor, he should come out and bring where he spoke. He cannot. I wish you know those people, but it's unfortunate you don't know them. Anyway, they say the word is enough for the whites. If you like, I be woman. Why you know who and your mom? Don't listen to me. But I did hear. Okay, make you vow. It will happen. I be prophetess. In due season, you will see what you have done to yourself. Ndibai, also go ham no. Ya gazirai.
Hey, Jpac. See all these
Good
other people.
evening.
Go ahead, my brother. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Go ahead. Go
I
ahead.
am forgot creator that we for here Jpac post yesterday now. Ikuru. So man, I want to why I want onye na support na this saga. You want to go I want to ka I fun ke be eziokwu. So I want to now bo ebe here reply but simply kwa ke reply ya. So I told na this video kizi na this video which particular
Get the fuck out. Ozu. Kuwe campaign you gonna call you when you're not support. Then why are you here? You're not supporting anybody. Then why did you join? Why did you join on my particular program? You're not supporting anybody. Why are you here? Gino no here. Kehi no here name. Ndara. Chanamama honye from day one. I've known that your useless account for years. Ndala. Group of idiots. Amalife. Group of atun. Dala. And I be clean on my platform. Like I don't know you too well. Now, so-called intelligent criminal. I know you guys are looking for every place to use. I know you guys are looking for people to use. That if you like, go and pay anybody to come out and claim that all young. Go and tell all the saga members to come out and do this. No young. I know everything. Okay, women here. And I have to try the truth to come. Oh, sorry guys. Unuga with a better network. I don't know what is happening. Network is defaulting. I don't know what is really happening. So you can go with a better network. Your network is bad. I don't know. So you can go with a better network. Thanksgiving to you too there. Ndala. Bunch of mad people. When Jpac no na korogi about every other person. When Jpac get bupute ndemado koya you know there. Mgbe Jpac get bupute other brand on a represent it to destroy. You guys will not advise him to stop it. Tell me which responsible man got such videos. Tell me which responsible man can mechi. Onye akpohuga aha, oke akpohuga aha, ngona akpohuga aha, iti akpohuga aha. Ga-apụta. Kọwara anyị ka egbe igwe jiri na-eti na nwunye mmadụ. Are you not useless, if I may ask you? Are you not hopeless? All this brand. Are they watching Jpac? Now what he do? They destroy their brand. Is that what they are doing? Hello?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Because with a better network, your networks are very crazy. I'm fine.
I may follow this thing, this problem all this while, you know. Emma, and I didn't Gente, Ezioku, and I didn't change. This guy, Merano, here open the war. You know, I acquire my Banasaga or Baba Saga. When you prepare no keep me such a thing. When it is excuse. And then how when you have make a noise. A beggar. Dig him up and I dig a wood out of here. Maybe an you do. Ọ dị ka m Jpac rịọgodo gị biko today bụ onye sere that picture before eme any peace ka akpọta onye sere that picture then there will be peace. Apart from that, even you can marry every self. Go and dig ma nwunye ya ma mama nwunye ya. Draw everybody udode. Nothing will happen. But onye na-ete if you man die go, onwe aga anwụ anwụ. You got to so moja to like people dey your side. You know that one. And then they meji So all this brand man, nothing like jealousy. You get only no be America, only be the Western world. Only make cleaning job, and what more than 3 million, 4 million.
Honor from
before any peace.
I peace. I know with peace, and where the
let them go and bring God the picture. So then drag mama drag the family, drag everybody. Nothing they happen. So in how my first time, ask him come to your
thank you, my brother. Thank you. Like you said, my name Munya, what the kingdom nobi. My man Munya, Manna Munya, Maunya Loyalo, my compound Oshi. I go drag every my brother. All the kid go to my mind. All the kid what I'm saying.
Governor is your people. Let me tell you one thing.
All the can just read here my mind. Man, my plan, man, what I'm doing. I will drag Munya, my plan Munya, the worst thing, this guy don't understand the level I will go for this guy.
Hello? This guy
Hello?
Ezugo.
Hello? Huh? Huh? Hello? Where? I hear you. Okay, where?
Yeah, I'm not in clear. Yeah. Until okay for Jpac. Okay, see how they speak out.
I don't speak out.
Jpac is the one of the massive. This guy is the worstest human being to go on earth. And I want to emphasize on my baby my Okoko. Real estate. I want to emphasize on them. Okay, now Makanokechi, Kuroku Una was Jpac, Joya. Can you make this woman? Why did you involve my name on this? Can you make this woman? So you baby Oku Nonabo or Gisigi, Nakuya Nemeno, and you know that you have my phone number. And the Bible, Ego Haji. Now what he see? You have my phone number. Okay, you have my phone number. Why don't you call me? Jpac that called you. Why did you ask Jpac? Can you make this woman? Why? Let me call this woman. You have to publish my arrange call Jpac mega. Because arrange call. Jpac say na see na yeni equal. I mean, I'm focusing yeni as na see Jpac get mo hala Ogugun
Thank you.
I will support it. You understand? I don't know what kind of stupidity everywhere. Okay. Okay, it's na ya me. Nke wa me. I know na get you wala. You want to go all the na phone. Nke baby okwa be able man do the worst. What can't you get? Okay, na kwenya na chelu. Jpac. Look at what happened. Then can you make this man? Picture we post. Can this what you speak? I don't know upon the me. Baby okwa ni me am bosi ako. I don't know. What they call grandmother or grandfather. I don't know what publish they are like this online. What will it? How will it feel? You must be able to now. When I eat you man pam busa me egu I go clear all your generation. I go clear your generation. I'm not them know me and Zuzu. If you know my father or my parents, any of my relatives busa me egu, clear your foundation. So until Ogechi don't even ọbụna apụta ọnụ onye agbata online si gị biko ka enwere ka eji nwa ya na-eme ya not the person ozugbo cut the call. You don't have to hear anything from the person. You don't have to hear anything from the person. Onye ọbụla apụta ọnụ Ogechi biko ka eji ya nwayọ alabagwe the person. The person ga-anwụ n'ike Ogechi ya mụ ka akpọ pistol alabagwe the person. Jpac ga-apụta online ọ bụkwa mee short video ọ ga-anọ online Ogechi biko ihe a nkwukwanụ I'm so sorry biko gbagharụ m ọkwanụ ndị mmadụ lara ya mụ and another person bụ if this governor is a deadly woman being. Governor is a deadly woman being. Governor eziokwu is a deadly woman being. Mana I am little busy. I just want to emphasize on.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Chineke gozie gị. Oh, Chineke gozie. Thank you. Check and patch on your car back because cause bịa. No. You can call me back or you can miss some call again. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I missed some call again. Sorry, that's why I'm calling you back.
Yeah, Antioche.
There we.
Yeah, my name is Emmanuel.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm from Ghana online now. Oh, no. Then I'm a Jpac now, but I'm not area because just not trying to know I'm one atom. I don't know your father won't Jpac post.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, I don't know your father won't Jpac post. Jpac can right post to onion on a sick bed. Post on internet, seen on the RP. Echo say, John, I'm way fine or bang. One no post to raw, if I know Bana now hospital on a sick bed.
Thank you.
Facebook, then RP. So, Jpac me on them, I just supposed to have that thing come on.
Oh, Chineke gozie.
Come on, more quiet your family. You want to know from me because when then I say like this, on your one for post to a sick bed, then RP. All their photos soon go, their photos so fast and
Thank you. Thank you.
So Jpac know what he's doing. You want that. So Igbo was strong woman. You want that. Jpac born no 2020, 21, 22, don't have a war. Only name reform men. Oh yeah, what did the person war? That person I oppose you for watching it. So people knew as your arsenal lead you no see or go.
No.
Continue. Never you succumb. Never you give up. Never you succumb.
Neku, my brother, they hear you. Neku. Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate your contribution. God bless you all. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Hello? Hello? Yeah. There was in on a speaker.
Karisa.
There was.
Keke ana ahụ ka ihe na-eso aga ọ na-adị mma ka mmadụ na-ejide evidence ịhụrụ ka ha si were ihe were ya ọgụ n'isi okwu ọbụla sọ na-eme okwu ọbụla sọ na-eme pụtara ọgbọ ede onye ndị na-ekwụta ọnwa ya reliziri dị sekreti a na-achọ ka adọwa egbe sọ a na-ayọ a na-eme ihe na-emegide aka mmadụ su status na ihe ụmụnne ka e butere ọdọ ya sọ na-emezi ka a bịa yọọ
Hello? My brother, we're not on our phone. Hello? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, hello. Troublemaker. My brother, Kuwe. Let me block
Okay.
your generation. Yeah, Kuwe.
Okay.
Yeah, Kuwe.
I thank God. Ịma ọ na-adị mma ka eziokwu na eziokwu a na-apụta ihe.
Yes.
Eziokwu a na-apụta ihe. So achọrọ ka a bịa arọkọ ndụ na ka a bịa arọkọ gị na Zion ka arọkọ ndụ na onye kwuru ọkọ ndụ na ka a tụghị ahụ n'onwe mana.
Exactly.
To hear part with the truth. Let the truth be real. Let the truth be real. Go. But
Thank you, my brother.
ihe ma bụ one day ihe na-agụsa n'ihu akwụkwọ before bụ ka anyị mụta ihe mana ha atọzidere ya si biggest saga. So agasị na gị agasị nwatakịrị esi ebere akwa mgbe gị na ha lụchaa ị na-akụzikwara ihe nwa ihe na-akụziri anyị na-eje mụtakwa ihe ike.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Chineke gozie gị. I don't block him. You don't need to reply that person. I block Ugom here. You need to hear reply, yeah? I block Ugom the person. You don't need to reply him. Now, like I was saying, this group, Ekretiri, and a Jerotom wine, and Nabatagi inside the group. Jpac is a member. Kinsel is a member. Jinjin Venza, the headquarter of it, is a member. The so-called intelligent food are called and claimed that Oyanwa would picture my dad, always member. So Ihuna group Yanine and company Yanine are the people that gather to come and claim that Jpac Bupitere the same. Mana Chuhashi. When Jpac came out and starts mentioning that Ogechi, Mpogechi Repuria, Ogechi, when Ogechi, even himself for the things in Chefru. He came on his platform yesterday and he repeated all these things. Now, man, so why are you denying from the beginning? Why you while you who eventually did all these things? And some people will call me Ogechi Keme peace. Okama na the sole person no jiranya na that Jpac shepota na ekikwa onu ya na ekwu na na press ya wute ego. O jikwara onu ya pụta na agwa ndị mmanụ na press ga ya wute ego. Enweghị ihe ị ga-ekwu with this guy. Ya pụta gba gị kewe eziokwu. He will always lie. He will always release information where okay favor ya. Hello, my brother. Continue. How are you? And my number is my brother in Anihan. Hello? No, network with the body in Anihan. My number is pinned down. Evidence all you when I'm a drag everybody na this saga. Both to Jpac, both to Jpac, both to Munewani, both to one Egypt, and when anybody when any stone that I will live upon. That is how I'm a drag family one here. Na drag ya man drag man paya man mumunne. My brother who in the quote can continue.
Okay. I tell you, good evening.
Come on to question her. You're turning my life into talking rubbish.
On a caution, una caution for no reason. Get into.
May you die before your time.
Here with the conversation hungry yesterday when here with the conversation. My brother, are you replaying it? Can you lower it down? You cannot be watching me and be playing the same thing. This is the conversation hungry yesterday. And other people this is the conversation. Yeah, put yesterday. For woman that called you. Yeah, put spread information that the people secure secretly. Yeah, but just listen to him. Somebody copied it and posted it.
Question your queen mother. Come on to question her. You are turning my
my live video talking rubbish. Talking my rubbish. Want me to talk when we are called punish our generation. May you die before your time. God punish you. And they create the better for you. You are running out of something about somebody. Okay, because just because because now don't come to them. We go say, no one ever is getting 10 million naira. Go where they may open confession. No. One video comedy. 300 bloggers put the video. Then say, well, who come with it? I get a court. Just no come with the video. Which I don't know whether it's truth or not. To tell you how it's based.
You don't know whether it's truth or not. You don't know whether it's truth or not. You're not the one that sent Okongbudibe to do that thing. But we everything. Are you not the one that contacted all these your followers to start lying against an innocent man?
Okay.
Continue, my brother. Hold on.
Now when I tell about testimony, I went out and say, okay, bring evidence, bring proof, lawyer, legal team, this and that. Or that didn't make a good dog, or that didn't make a good to your ministry, or that didn't make a good to
Go down.
When me Ebukobi were to do with this.
Okay, for Jpac.
I'm gonna put
on okay, for Ebukobi.
Ebukobi is my father. I'm to do with Jpac dragging my father on social media.
Okay. Daddy Ebuka is my father. Okay, for Jpac. Eh? I'm a better Jacob. You got a problem. No war. Okay, for you. This the same man. The same Ebukobi is the one that blessed you. Remember that they all blessed you. How would you tell again?
Yes.
That's how don't you bless you.
Yes.
People will fail him. Jpac, you want a problem. No way. I'm the generation.
In
fact, he on a kotako. I pay for Jpac. Okay, go and mark your word. More about for more than a important, Oregon. I'm a radical Zionite. Okay, for that man, Jpac, you want a problem. Watch and see what will happen. Just watch and see what will happen. Okay, they fail. Okay, everything they fail. Look at today now. If you call there, he's not even feeling better. He's very sick. This man is the man that bless you. He okay, to see with the madroma. He booked the papier. He booked the papier for what? Or your uncle couple. Do you know him before? This man, this innocent man that just passed in COVID. COVID, I'm a health worker. I work in the hospital. I know what I'm saying. People died of COVID. He went where God working mad. That dying state. That man is a trash. I'll go for Jpac or Congo, whatever they call them. They will be having problem. They will have problem to the extent that their family will see what is happening. They have to begin to fail them. They will drink water. Water will shock them. The air they breathe is going to be a problem to them. I am telling them 24/7. They will never have peace. Peace will cease in their generation. I'm telling you the truth. When I see them invest, look at this stupid asshole. Are we arguing? Useless human being. Woman they will shame. I just can't shrine on me. Generation they close go. Different kind of friend now, boy, everything now. Look at it. When I cut on mad, look at it. Just look at his generation. I just pity all these big men that even giving him whatever they call it. All those big men, I pity them because all their nyash outside. That man have done a lot of things. I am telling you the gospel truth. I can't take that one for any fucking damn human being. I can't take for any trash. Look at all of them, HIV. Look at Otogudibe. They look at just look at them. They are going to go. Jpac cannot eat without people. It's people that is giving him money. He can't even feed himself. He can't even pay his bill. It's people that is giving him money. Just look at what is happening. It's people that are giving him money. I could 1 million times. I could 1 million times. I could feed this generation. I could feed me. I feed
Good evening, my sister.
Nonsense. Ndal everywhere. Ndal everywhere. Onya go just week. Or to show you do the Facebook here. Where? The man that bless you. Who are you to insult him? Who are you fucking woman? Who are you? You can't even feed yourself. People are giving you food. Fucking asshole. Everywhere. Ndala. Useless set of people. Bon throw away.
onye muri abaka nwa o ga-enwe problem. My God, e go get o ye dey problem 24/7. Generation dey close go. On akpari yako. On dey bring allegation. Ndala. Oh, God, just think I'm going to make. In fact, I couldn't ask nothing will happen.
Thank you.
So happy Thanksgiving.
And you too. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you, my love. Buru something now. Abasahe Bukobi. This is exactly how they started. Problem with Jpac has nothing to do with Zion. Has nothing to do with anybody. I'm going to Jpac. Now everything on age that the war. Nobody believes me. Until una drag Jpac aga court. Ya bia kwuo ebe sorry, I'm not even make a network ndo for them sorry ade. Ya bia kwuo ebe ndị Zion plan ni with the poison. Okay, with evidence. Ebe ndị Zion plan ni with the poison enye onye obodo. Onye keza ha ya nke a na-akpọ what is name again? Nke a na-akpọ Ebony lost bleaching sun. Here with the first thing to be a problem. Stop bringing Zion into this. Stop accusing people what they did not do. Are we happy to this fight? For those of you that don't know, let's man apology. No wunduka yusuruya. No wunduka yusuruya. Nobody use this idiot. And when you use Surya for nothing. That was our problem. Now, kaheme Jpac hagabu pute. Ihe mayao mamuo magavanyo shio. Hana hapuru me the video. Hagabu pute nke mbaka just to humiliate me. That one no do. Yaga ku other people who can have a claim muzie. No hapu pute my father's picture. Thank God for that cheap pilot video. Because unda na cheap pilot for years. For complete years. Jpac, how low can you go? So all these things is to prove me that everything okay to wash. Knowing fully well that you are lying from the pit of hell. I will never pay anybody to come and speak ill against you. That in Esho Kunomono can just fight to get to the past. I would not pay anybody, rather will I to come to get a gashi. I got me conversation monarchy. The thing say what I'm about people can get destroy it. Nothing more, nothing less. Because some towa another line get you to get another one. What are you calling Zion minister? Why are you getting them involved? Is it because I did not allow you to come and lie against them? Is it because I'm fighting Fako? But none of you idiots that are supporting you and asking you why did you bring up my father's picture? That's on the worst state of his life. They will put it just to humiliate me. I played that video. Nobody is talking about it again. You keep lying. Don't allow me to block you. Let me block you. Get out of here. You keep lying and lying and lying and lying. Why can't you tell yourself the truth? You keep lying from the pit of hell. Hello, baby. Hello? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna end my live program very soon. Okay, so Bano. Those don't worry, I'm gonna end it very, very soon. Okay, thank you. Alright. Oh, my for the time. So guys, I gotta continue this live program. I'll be right back.